If your current retirement strategy doesn't include precious metals, you may be missing out on an essential element of diversification. One way to gain the benefits of precious metals in your portfolio is to hold gold or silver in a self-directed IRA. To put physical gold into an IRA, you'll need to either have a self-directed IRA already or open one. This type of individual retirement account allows you to hold alternative assets such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. If you don't have a self-directed IRA, also known as a Gold IRA, you can establish one through an approved custodian. If you already own a self-directed IRA, any additions from another retirement account should be made by your account's custodian according to IRS rules. Once you have a self-directed IRA, you can transfer or roll over funds to the IRA. With a transfer, you can move money only from the same type of account, such as from one traditional IRA to another. A rollover enables you to move money from one type of account, such as a 401k, to a different type of account, such as a Roth IRA. With the transferred or rolled over money, the custodian buys gold or other eligible precious metals on your behalf in the form of IRS-approved bullion bars or certain coins. The custodian will make the purchase from a precious metals dealer, like U.S. Money Reserve. Keep in mind that if you do own gold through an IRA, the gold will be safely stored in an IRS-approved depository. A transfer of your IRA to gold via a self-directed IRA can make sense for several reasons. Gold helps diversify your retirement portfolio. Gold serves as a hedge against inflation. Gold holds intrinsic physical appeal, unlike some traditional assets such as stocks and bonds. Gold prices historically have moved in the opposite direction of the stock market. U.S. Money Reserve can help you transfer some of your IRA into physical gold. Call now to get started with a free consultation. Click the link in the description to request your free Precious Metals IRA Information Kit. It's full of everything you need to know about getting started on your self-directed Precious Metals IRA today.